discovered was if you have good endothelial function, meaning your endothelial cells produce sufficient nitric oxide, then it prevents this inflammation, oxidative stress, and immune dysfunction that leads to atherosclerosis and heart disease. And if you can't make nitric oxide, then that sets the stage for this whole process. So the functional loss of nitric oxide precedes these structural changes by many years, sometimes decades. So your ability to produce nitric oxide at the level of the endothelium is going to predict the course of cardiovascular disease and whether you become a statistic or not.